What is up, guys? I'm back here today. It's YouTuber Killerrain Gold, looking so beautiful. Hope you guys love the look. Hi to you guys if you guys don't know me. I'm going to be covering a few items today, but I'm going to start off with liquid eyeshadow. I got more of the expensive kind and more of a cheaper kind. So this kind right here, it's pink. It's $24 on Beautylicious, so it's affordable, really nice. I tried to swipe with it. I'll show you what they look like in a sec. And this one is from CVS. It's about $11, so half the price. Could be just as good. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys like a swipe test of what it's gonna look like. This is the cheaper one. I'm just gonna wipe it on my hand and show you guys to make it a little easier. That's what they're looking like. That is this one, the $24 one, and this is the $11 one. So they kind of look really beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna be getting into the video. I'm gonna be putting the, let's see, I'm gonna put the cheaper stuff on top. Beautiful. For the price of it, it's pretty dang good. Very super shiny. I think I put a little extra, but a little extra is okay. I'm like sweating a little highlighter board. Sexy. Shout out Jeffree Stars today and his beautiful green palette. I'll be moving on to that soon. I'd say in the next few days I'd be doing a few more videos. I'm pretty excited. And I love pink. I love to wear my pink wig. Just a couple hairs that get in the way. That's about it. Other than that, wigs are not too bad to manage. You can get real ones, you can get heat resistant ones, real ones. I'm going to turn my air conditioner off. That's my bad about that. A little bit of the video will be air conditioned, but you'll be okay. We'll fix that knitting somehow. Okay, I'm going to be moving on to the better eyeshadow. Pink. Whoa, that's looking so beautiful. Oh, looks very nice. Look at the shine, boy. With eyeshadow, I'm gonna be moving on to the Jeffree Star's Frost. This is the Frost Brainfreeze. Very beautiful. I'll show you guys. I did the swipe test. It didn't come up as great, but these are some of the colors, so you guys can give it a look for a sec. Very vibrant. Nice. It's nicer in person than you see it online, so be amazed. I have a lot of highlighter, but I'm gonna fix mine real quick. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of white, the cold shoulder. I have a lot of highlighters, so like I won't need too much. Oh. Okay. I'm going to be using a little pink up top. I don't even know if you'll be able to notice it. Oh, I noticed it. I just didn't notice it was going to be that noticing. I'm going to have to blend it in a bit. Okay, that is it for that. If I didn't have a lot of highlighter ready, I would say go for some more. But the time being, we're good. Okay, the finishing touch. Oh. The finishing touch. So excited. I'm going to be using one of my favorite lip sticks, and it's one he made the Freezy palette to and around the jawbreaker. I did it one of my other videos. It was super shiny pink. I wanted you guys to see that. It's like one of my favorite lipsticks that he made. And it stays on very nice too. It just goes on a little harder, but it stays on a lot better, I'm telling you. And that is the finishing look. I think it's looking amazing. I think I'm going to do some photos. And I'll be making new shirts very soon. And I'm trying to make my own palette. I'm looking into it very soon. If you guys don't know me, I'm Killerrain Gold. Love to do makeup. Love to take photos. Love to do adventures. Love to do trips. So if you guys have collab ideas or makeup videos, I'd be down to try them or do them with you. So God bless you. Have a beautiful day. And I just want to tell you guys, God bless and thank you. And stay beautiful. And I'm going to be making lots and lots of videos. So smile, be beautiful, and don't let anything get you down. One love. Bye. This is how the doll is looking today. Just marvelous. So sexy. Giving every look of tension to the crowd. Oh, just bite me.